Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best wireless outdoor security camera you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Imagine a world where your home is under constant watch, ensuring the safety of your loved ones and possessions. Studies reveal that homes equipped with security cameras are 300% less likely to be targeted by burglars. Intrigued? Today, we're diving into the top 5 wireless outdoor security cameras that can transform your home's safety. Welcome to our channel. Remember, you can find links to these products in the description below. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best wireless outdoor security camera. Let's begin. On number 5 is AOSU True 2K HD. Imagine transforming your home security with a camera that not only delivers crystal clear 2K video but also offers a 166 degrees ultra-wide-angle view, ensuring no corner goes unnoticed. Intrigued? Let's dive into the AOSU True 2K HD WirelessCam Pro System, a standout in the realm of wireless outdoor security cameras. Upon unboxing, the sleek design of the AOSU cameras immediately catches the eye. Their modern aesthetic seamlessly blends with any home exterior, promising both functionality and style. The 2K resolution provides sharp and clear footage, capturing every detail with precision. The wide-angle lens ensures comprehensive coverage, minimizing blind spots. With a robust battery, users can enjoy extended security without frequent recharging. Moreover, the built-in 32GB memory offers ample storage without the burden of monthly fees. In real-world scenarios, the AOSU True 2K HD camera excels. The enhanced resolution ensures that even at night, faces and details are clearly discernible. The ultra-wide-angle lens effectively covers large areas, making it ideal for monitoring expansive properties. Setting up the AOSU camera is straightforward thanks to the intuitive app and clear instructions. The app's user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation between live feeds, recorded footage, and settings. Smart alerts are timely, and the quick preview feature is invaluable for swift assessments. In summary, the AOSU True 2K HD WirelessCam Pro System stands tall among the top wireless outdoor security cameras. Its blend of high-resolution imaging, expansive coverage, and user-centric features offers homeowners a reliable and efficient security solution. Priced at $149.99, it delivers exceptional value without compromising on quality. For those seeking peace of mind with advanced surveillance capabilities, the AOSU camera is a worthy investment. On number 4 is AOSU 3K for Cam Kit. Imagine a security system so advanced, it feels like having a personal sentinel guarding your home day and night. The AOSU 3K for Cam Kit offers this peace of mind with its stunning 5MP Ultra HD clarity, capturing every detail in vibrant color, both under the sun and the stars. Its intelligent cross-camera tracking seamlessly links simultaneous videos from multiple cameras, simplifying playback and ensuring you never miss a moment. With a built-in 32GB memory, it provides up to 120 days of secure, subscription-free recording, keeping your data private and easily accessible. The solar-powered design ensures continuous operation year-round, eliminating the hassle of battery replacements. Equipped with a 166 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, it offers expansive coverage, minimizing blind spots. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its compact, wire-free design, allowing you to set up your surveillance system in minutes. While the initial investment is $369.99, the long-term savings from its solar efficiency and lack of subscription fees make it a worthwhile consideration for those seeking top-tier wireless outdoor security solutions. On number 3 is MaxiViz IP66 Weatherproof. Imagine a security camera that not only withstands harsh weather but also delivers crystal-clear footage, day or night. The MaxiViz IP66 Weatherproof security camera offers 2K high-definition resolution, ensuring every detail is captured with remarkable clarity. Its advanced AI motion detection minimizes false alarms by accurately distinguishing between humans, pets, vehicles, and packages, providing peace of mind. The color night vision feature, enhanced by built-in LED floodlights, ensures that even in complete darkness, your property is under vigilant surveillance. With a 360-degree rotation capability, the MaxiViz covers every angle, leaving no blind spots. Users have praised its ease of installation and stylish design, making it a valuable addition to any home security setup. While it offers free 3-day loop cloud storage, some users might find the need for an extended subscription for longer storage durations. Priced at $109.99, the MaxiViz IP66 stands out as a top contender among the best wireless outdoor security cameras, offering a blend of durability, advanced features, and affordability. On number 2 is AOSU for Cameras Kit. Imagine a security system so advanced, it feels like having a personal sentinel guarding your home day and night. The AOSU for Cameras Kit offers this peace of mind with its cutting-edge features. With 2K ultra-clear resolution, every detail is captured vividly, ensuring nothing escapes your watchful eye. Its expansive 166 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens provides comprehensive coverage, minimizing blind spots. The system's self-sustaining solar power means just 2 hours of direct sunlight daily keep it running indefinitely, making it both eco-friendly and hassle-free. What sets AOSU apart is its commitment to privacy. The Homebase's built-in 32 GB local storage holds up to 2 months of recordings, eliminating monthly fees and ensuring your data remains secure. The intelligent camera-to-camera tracking syncs related events seamlessly, offering a cohesive security narrative. While the initial investment is $349.99, the long-term savings and unparalleled security make it a top contender among the best wireless outdoor security cameras. However, some users might find the setup process slightly technical, and optimal solar charging requires adequate sunlight exposure. Overall, the AOSU for Cameras Kit stands as a robust, cost-effective solution for comprehensive home surveillance. Now moving to the last one is Tapo TP-Link MagCam. Imagine a security camera so versatile, it redefines plug and play. The Tapo TP-Link MagCam offers a 100% wire-free installation, thanks to its innovative magnetic base, allowing effortless attachment to any metal surface. With a robust IP66 weatherproof rating, this camera is built to withstand the harshest outdoor conditions, ensuring reliable performance year-round. Its impressive 10,000 mAh battery promises up to 300 days of uninterrupted security on a single charge, minimizing maintenance hassles. The crystal-clear 2K QHD resolution, coupled with a 150-degree super-wide field of view, ensures comprehensive coverage with stunning clarity. Advanced AI capabilities intelligently distinguish between people, pets, and vehicles, reducing false alarms and keeping you informed about genuine events. For those seeking top-tier wireless outdoor security solutions, the MagCam stands tall among the best, offering a harmonious blend of innovation, durability, and intelligence. At an attractive price point of $76.99, it delivers exceptional value for comprehensive home protection. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best wireless outdoor security camera. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.